आगे यहाँ से ले जाएंगे। ओवर टू यू सुजात।
Yeah, thank you. Puneet ji, thanks a lot जो आपने बताया. This webinar we started specifically in Hindi. We have a crowd which is all India. ये हम हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. हमारा ये वाला जो वेबिनार है, दिस पर्टिकुलर वेबिनार इज स्पेसिफिकली रिलेटेड टू द मोटर टेक्नोलॉजी, और ये उन लोगों के लिए है जिनको या तो अपना खुद का प्रोजेक्ट करना है. इट इज फॉर दोज पीपल, इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स, who either are interested in starting their own projects related to electric vehicle technology, or people who are from the manufacturing side who want to brush up their skills. It is for upward, vertical, horizontal movements inside the BLDC technology, which is fast becoming the core as far as the electric vehicle technology is concerned, especially in the two-wheeler market. So this time the on-site training of EVs, which we have already done around 9 sessions in 6 different cities. We have covered Gurgaon, we have covered Noida, Delhi we are covering for the first time. But technically they are all part of Delhi NCR, but till date we have been doing in factory premises of our channel partners. We have done this in Chennai, we have executed in Hyderabad, Nagpur, Pune, Surat. So we have done approximately around 9 such sessions across the east, west, south and central part of India. And soon we will be reaching out to east of India also. This is first time that we are doing inside Delhi technically. The premises is inside a society. So it is not exactly a factory or a auditorium kind of environment, but definitely it's an open air environment. And this time Delhi, it has become slightly more pleasant. It's not very hot now. Winters are setting in. So this training is 25th, 26th and 27th. This is on-site training. It's a workshop mode that we provide. Basically, we support 2 ways on this training. One, you can utilize our online portal-based training, which is Zoom-based training on basics, motors, and batteries. And we can assure you the amount of exposure that we give is not met by anybody else, because not only are we having content creators who are from India, we have started roping in European and American content creators related to this technology. The task that we will be covering during this training is we are going to expose you to the components of BLDC motor, which is a specialty. Till date, we were just exposing you to integration of the vehicles, the wiring mechanism and the basics. This one is actually doing a deep dive or an open heart surgery of the BLDC motors. So any professional amongst your circle, कोई भी professional जो कि interested है to know more about BLDC motors, not only from a repair service and maintenance, but also from manufacturing, coil winding, neodymium magnets, Hall sensors, electronics, and how the entire motor is made, along with the IP67 ratings, which are basically the ball bearing ratings of the motor to ensure that it can work in below water or exposure to high degree of sand and dust. In such a situation, we are going to expose you to the components of the BLDC motor, learn electric vehicle fitting, retrofitting, electric vehicle manufacturing. When I say manufacturing, it is more of an assembly line thing, but we are exposing you parts and components. Obviously, there is a deep dive course which will be running in November. You can do it. These are courses where you get a practical exposure to motors, and this is not one type of hub motor. We are actually covering approximately 3 to 4 different kind of motors, which are varying either by size. They are either coaxial motors, they are hub motors, they are motors utilized in hybrid vehicles, that is ones which are driving both petrol/electric vehicles, and they are bike motors also, 17-inch wheel rim. So you can be rest assured that we are giving you a 360 degrees exposure on the motor technology. This is apart from the on-site. We will be delivering a detailed Zoom-based session on electric motors, as I told you, from 7th November, and on BMS lithium battery pack assembly. Sir, we will be answering the questions. Don't worry about that. Since we are suppliers of this, so you can put your questions onto the chat box, but we will be answering you individually each and every question once the session is over. So this technology session that we are doing, as I told you, is hands-on. We actually showcase 2 or 3 low speed and high speed vehicles, two-wheelers, and a retrofit bike. This bike I can be rest assured, it actually drives at a speed of 80-85 kilometer plus. It is configured on a 72-volt configuration. So this is more, sir, kindly mute, please. Thank you.
Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. Namaskar, Mansukh bhai. Thank you for joining. Apart from this on-site training, we will be delivering detailed Zoom-based session. अब इस कोर्स का एडवांटेज ये है, पहले हम लोग सिर्फ लाइव सेशन करते थे, अब लाइव सेशन उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग आपको इंस्टेंटली मिल जाती है. You get an instant recording of this. This course is now recognized by Electronic and Electrical Skill Council of India. So after doing this course, you can actually attempt an upgradation skill course. The advantage for a mechanic is very simple. It's an audio-visual examination, not a written examination. आपको अंग्रेजी हिंदी की जरूरत नहीं है. आप सीधे सीधे जैसा टॉफल का एग्जाम देते हो, जिन्होंने यूएस का अटेम्प्ट किया हुआ है फॉर यूएस बेस्ड यूनिवर्सिटीज. So it's an audio-visual course with audio-visual replies given in an optional format. आपको ABCD 1 2 3 4 करके define करना पड़ता है. And Zoom, Google, and other such tools have given us easy access to these examinations. So you can remotely do it by sitting at whichever location. आपको कहीं central point पर नहीं आना. Timing specific रहता है. Every question paper is unique. So you literally 2 people sitting next to each other may actually get a different question paper. But the advantage that you get on this kind of a technological upgradation skill is you get a skill certificate. It is monetizable in terms of a bank loan, which is non-mortgage based bank loan covering under MSME. All you need is a small garage to go and participate into this examination as well as get eligible for the loan itself. So more of it later on. Next slide, please. We will now start our proposition of what we are going to cover in this and how we have arrived in. So essentially, what's an electric motor? For those who are technically inclined, electric motor is a device which converts electrical energy into rotational mechanical energy by use of magnetic fields, which can either be induced using electricity or you can utilize natural magnets. After invention of battery came the invention of the magnetic field from current and electromagnets, and this technology is virtually more than 100 years old as far as the electric vehicle is concerned. Invention after invention, the first electric motor was built. It was powered by direct current, which is why it was called as a DC motor. As I told you, it is more than 100 years old. Exactly to be specific, the first car which rolled out was 1908 in USA. Next slide, please. DC motors are simple. Brushed DC motor is equipped with permanent magnets and brushes. The first one that we started off with. It has multiple coils and current passing through the wires near the magnet causes a force to be generated in the coil. This type of motor is very widely used in applications such as portable tools, toys, electrically operated windows in cars, small domestic appliances such as hair dryers, mixies, and even AC mains powered. More than one coil is used so that current carrying wire is near the magnets for a higher proportion of the time. Each coil will consist of several wire strands. This increases the surface area and capability to carry current, so that torque is increased. More wires means more force. Torque has a ratio theta into P into Ia, which is current, into Z, divided by 2 pi into A stands for ampere. Now we will have a detailed session when we cover it in our motor sessions starting from 27th of November. जैसा मैंने बोला कि ये उन लोगों के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जो मोटर्स में डीप डाइव करके अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं या मोटर की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट खोलना चाहते हैं, मोटर की सर्विसिंग यूनिट खोलना चाहते हैं. Next slide, please. Now let us deep dive into the motor itself. Now this is a heavily mechanical oriented subject, so obviously you need an orientation towards that. We are going to showcase a cross section of the entire motors. Now basic component of a motor is a rotor, a stator, number of poles, that is windings, commutator, ferromagnetic iron core, armature, magnets, and sensors. These are part of all kind of motors that we see and visualize today. This is going to be a basic of every course that we are going to teach. As I told you, a workshop mode hai, yeah, we expect that you will have some kind or other kind of skill set as far as knowledge is concerned. But even if you come with zero knowledge, you can go out as an expert on this field. Next slide, please. The current day technology on BLDC utilizes a very heavy dependency on sensors and sensing element, which is basically integrated chip driven sensors. The sensors collect data including number of starts and RPM. RPM is rounds per minute. Cooling efficiency, temperature monitoring, which is something that is a BLDC motor we have started getting the function. Vibrations, bearing health, air gap, eccentricity, rotor winding health, loading, operating hours. Now these are obviously high-end engagements that we are talking about. Now this is a picture of one of the BLDC motors, which is a 10-inch motor, hub motor, along with the braking assembly, which is integrated onto it, used for scooters, electric scooters. And this is something that you get hands-on as far as the training is concerned. आपको ट्रेनिंग में कोई भी हैंड्स ऑन पे 3 दिन में BLDC मोटर्स करा के नहीं देने वाला. ये एक ऐसी ट्रेनिंग है which can give you a very very powerful insight into working of BLDC motors. Next slide, please. The PM BLDC motors use permanent magnet instead of rotor windings. This, as I told you, are neodymium magnet. Neodymium is a rare earth material found in very few countries. India is one such country where it is found, and it is extracted by a public sector unit called Rare Earth Metals Private Limited. But since we do not have the technology to manufacture this, we are virtually exporting 100% of this ores to none other than China. This motor is what we have shown here is a picture of an AC motor. It is one of them is also, it is called a brushless DC motor because alternating current must be variable frequency and so derived from a DC supply. The most common name of this motor is self-synchronous AC motor, but other include variable frequency synchronous motors, permanent magnet, and synchronous motors. In a brushless DC motor, that is BLDC motor, Hall effect sensors are used in place of mechanical commutator and brushes. Now that is the core difference between a AC and a BLDC motor. In a BLDC motor, the electronic sensors virtually control current passing through the coils using sensors and switches. The same is not true as far as AC motor is concerned. Next slide, please. Yeah, Parvez, can you kindly mute others? No, I can still hear noises in the background. Yeah, now it is better. Now a PM BLDC motor hub, that is what is shown. This is a 10-inch wheel. This is one of the most consumed motors as far as India is concerned because 98% of the vehicles which are being, not 98%, I'm sorry, 78% of the vehicles being sold in India are primarily two-wheel drive motors, followed by approximately around 26%, which is e-rickshaws or commercial rickshaws. 3 to 4% are those heavy-duty car motors being sold. This I am talking number-wise, numerically. Okay, so this is an inside view of a PM BLDC motor where the covering can has been opened up. As you can see, there are magnets which are there inside. There is the axle, which is the stator, and rotor is integrated into it. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Hub motor, which is also called wheel hub motor, wheel motor, also in wheel motion, is an electronic motor. Which is also called as a wheel hub motor. Also in wheel motor is an electronic or electric, motor that is incorporated into the hub of the wheel and drives it directly. The most commonly used hub motor is a brushless DC motor due to its high torque and power to weight ratio. This is one of the efficient motors, and that is why it is used in traction maximum in scooters and bikes. For e-bikes and scooters, they come with single rear wheel configuration or dual mode, and for three-wheel e-wheels, they come with either dual or quad motor configuration. Quad vehicle is only for four-wheel configuration. I'm sorry. For three-wheelers, it is either coaxial or an external motor, or you can have two hub motors. In India, normally because of pricing, we use the coaxial motor because it is one of the cheapest in terms of price. Next slide, please. Now, this is the critical part, especially if you are related with maintenance and servicing. Motor में failure क्या क्या हो सकता है? What are the possible common failures as far as motor is concerned? The first critical failure obviously is electrical failure. भाई करंट ही नहीं आ रहा है तो मोटर नहीं चलेगी, या एडिक्वेट करंट जितना चाहिए उसको नहीं मिल रहा है तो मोटर नहीं चलेगी. ये बैटरी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंसी है. अगर बैटरी आपका लो चार्ज पे है या सेल्फ इज नॉट चार्जिंग प्रॉपर्ली, then apparently the motor is not going to work. The second part which comes because of usage is mechanical failure. It is possible the axle has worn out, the ball bearing on which it is mounted has worn out. There may be a disfiguring of that. The last function, which is the functional failure, is a critical one, where say अंदर पानी घुस गया या उसमें धूल चली गई या मिट्टी चली गई, and it affects the internal coil or it shorts flow of current, then obviously the Hall sensor takes up practically from there onwards, it will simply switch off the current, which is a functional failure mode. So if you look at this, overload condition can happen in a uphill kind of a situation. It puts a lot of load on the motor because motor will extract or try to take extra current. In case it goes beyond its capacity, there is a chance that the motor may burn. The second part is shaft loosening due to a misalignment or some related issues which may be mechanical failure. The last is the bearing failure. Any protection from submerged? Yes, that is what is called as a IP rating. IP67 is a rating which is basically an oil seal utilized in the packing of a BLDC motor. This is done with the oil seal which resists water and mud to a certain pressure for a certain temperature, which essentially means if you have seen the EMF Foundation motors, they have been running these virtually submerged motors of 250 watt and 500 watt. Now this has been done with IP67 and IP69 rated ball bearings. These are ball bearings which have oil seal. So we will take up this answer very soon when we go into the Q&A session. But right now, whatever motors that we are showcasing, they are all IP65 motors, which means मानसून में वो एक या दो झटका सह लेंगे, लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा अगर आपने अंडर वाटर पानी चला अंडर वाटर या if you pass through water filled alleyway for a very long time, it will definitely stop the vehicle. Next slide please. Proper maintenance maximizes the availability of the machine, reduces breakdowns, and protects your investment from ensuring long and productive life. Now, what we have typically seen in electric vehicles is that people are trying to avoid maintenance, either because there is a cost involved. So OEM simply say, भाई बिजली का गाड़ी ले लिया, अब आपको कुछ नहीं होने वाला. ऐसा नहीं. This is an electromechanical device. It requires, like any other electromechanical device, a regular feature of maintenance itself called preventive maintenance. There are some 15-16 points that need to be regularly verified if you want to ensure long life of your vehicle. Normally, we have seen in heavy duty engagements like say EVs deployed for logistics in last mile logistics. This practice has been avoided by a lot of players, both small and large. And they end up in such a situation after 18 to 20 months, the entire capex goes for zero value because the damage level goes up so high that the cost of repairing itself comes to 30-40%, sometimes as high as 50% of the cost of vehicle itself. So several types of maintenance are generally done to avoid failure. Tests to be performed for motor testing. Now, whatever tests we are trying to say, not all of them are possible in field, but whatever field level uh, motor testing or physical maintenance testing, battery testing related things, which we are already practicing, or more than 1600 to 1700 vehicles already under our belt, under our AMC contracts or monthly maintenance contracts. Preventive or scheduled maintenance, which is very critical, as I told you, especially for heavy duty logistics, last mile connectivity, where two-wheelers are being used by Big Basket, Flipkart, Amazon, etc., and these kind of vehicles. It is very critical because these services are such, it's a virtually 7 days a week, 30 days a month, 365 days a year kind of operation. इन गाड़ियों को छुट्टी नहीं मिलती है. So it is very critical for such vehicles to be serviced, and that too, especially when they don't have a single hand driver. Like every day there is a new driver on that vehicle. So the entire, practice of maintenance becomes more critical and more sharp if you want longevity of your capital uh, investment on your EVs. And this is what we strongly recommend, that preventive or scheduled maintenance is a must if you want to avoid डिसरप्टिव मेंटेनेंस. डिसरप्टिव मेंटेनेंस, गाड़ी का देखभाल नहीं हुआ तो गाड़ी खराब होगी, वो केस में गाड़ी का कॉस्ट मेंटेन करने का और रिपेयर का बढ़ जाता है. सो इफ यू टेक सम अमाउंट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट इट in terms of preventive or scheduled maintenance, which is as low as 500 to 600 rupees, it might end up saving some 5,000 to 6,000 rupees, which may occur due to maintenance and repairs. Checking conditions of brushes and commutators, this is especially true about motors, because that is the mechanical part which is the most often moving and takes the maximum brunt. Bearing lubrication is critical and important if you want to ensure IP65, 67 ratings. Basics are there in place because it's a moving part, so oil needs to be checked on a regular basis every 3 to 4 months. Checkup of heat, noise, and vibration. Now, the last point that I told you, it is something which is possible in a factory setting only. There are no heat sensors as far as existing vehicles which have already come into the market in motors specifically. The motor itself has been made so robust that it can bear up to 44 to 45 degrees temperature heat, but not on a constant and consistent level. मतलब आप continuously उसको temperature पे रखोगे, उसका magnet का efficiency कम हो जाएगा और coil का efficiency भी कम होगा. ठीक है. Noise and vibration is something that can be physically verified. So there are, out of all the tests that we recommend, around 65 to 70% are field tests which can be done, and that will take care of 90-95% of your vehicle issues. Next slide, please. Now, this is a training overview. This is something that we run every between 15th and 18th of every month we start off. This is virtually what we call as the basics. So it is no news that electric vehicles are future of mobility. From e-rickshaws to e-bikes, India is seeing a rapid growth in the EV industry. India aims by 2030, every vehicle sold in the country should be electric. Very difficult to state as on date because we are still facing the uphill task. There is a lot of consumer dissonance and great amount of lack of trust as far as the vehicle servicing and charging infrastructure is concerned, but that will start coming in gradually. Now, trends towards electrification of vehicle, it is imperative for every individual in the automobile industry to be well versed with electric vehicles. We are already seeing a constant effort even among the lowest rung of this entire ecosystem, that is roadside mechanics, who have started joining us for, and they are willing to pay even 5 to 10,000 rupees for these kind of short courses which upskill them. So we have the practical session, which is what we are talking about. It is a 3-day practical session, cost you only 5,000 rupees if you are a resident of that city. Additional 2,500 rupees if you are an external city resident, where we will provide the boarding lodging from our side. So it's a very simple package if you want to do it and you want to take care of the boarding lodging yourself. This time we are doing inside Delhi at a location which is easily accessible from metro. It's a 2-minute walking distance. It's being done specifically inside a society premises so that we can keep the cost down. As you understand, if I would have done this same thing in a hotel, 3 days, मतलब per pax मेरे को 4-5 हजार का खाने पीने का खर्चा ही आ जाता है. So to ensure that cost is low and you get the maximum exposure on the training, We have kept it inside a society premises. This course will provide a basic understanding. जो मैं basic का बता रहा हूँ, जो theoretical session है, ये 6 दिन का session होता है, 15 तारीख से चालू होता है. This is charged on a separate basis. The practical is charged on a separate basis, and our deep dive courses on motors and batteries are charged on a separate basis. You wish, you can go to our website www.eoxygen.com and you can log into it and directly book for it. The dates are already mentioned. 3 of our courses are done on a Zoom based instructor driven module, and one of the course is given in a practical instance where we have selected 9 to 12 cities, and every quarter we typically target to visit at least one of these cities every quarter. So at present, these cities are Delhi NCR we take as one hub. Technically, these are 3 cities, which is Gurgaon, Delhi, and Noida. Faridabad and Ghaziabad are 2 separate cities. We've still not opened up there, but we have seen people can come to the 3 locations we have stated, which is and Delhi. Our location is very close to Noida, so Noida residents, Delhi residents can easily join it. The second city that is important for us is Pune. Followed by in west we have Surat, and very soon we'll be launching Mumbai also. These are 3 cities in the west. In south we have Chennai, we have Hyderabad, Bangalore we are yet to open, but very soon you will be getting the good news. So Bangalore also we want to cover. Our focus in Pune, Pratyush, this is done in Wakad. We have a micro franchisee who's there in Wakad. He has a service station there and it's bang on the road. So as I told you, it's again a open air kind of a place where we give the exposure for 3 days in Pune. And Pune, we get awesome response every time we come, because there is significant amount of resources that we deploy on our behalf. We do it once every quarter. Pune will definitely get back. In fact, if you keep a track of it, very soon you will find the Pune schedule mentioned on the website. Next slide, please. Now the practical training is a 3-day session where day 1 is introduction of EVs. A majority of the EVs that we showcase are the ones we are already servicing. So typically we have tie-ups with 8 different brands, but we normally end up showing 1 or 2 because the core technology is same. Utility of EVs, we take up last mile connectivity because that is where a bulk of our servicing demands are coming in. Retail servicing is also coming, and we are getting a lot of brands who have already taken pre-approved kits for hybrid as well as conversion of petrol vehicles into electric vehicles. So they are approaching us because we have the heft of the mechanics in the field and they have the product. So we are just marrying the 2 and 2 together to ensure customer gets this servicing next to his door. Hands-on training, that is assembly, reassembling. We typically take a high-speed vehicle, a low-speed vehicle, and a hybrid retrofitted vehicle, which is typically a bike. So you get the hands-on into de-installing and installing all of it together. So if you have that knack for nut bolt पाना का अगर आपको शौक है आप कर सकते हो. इसमें critical component हमारा wiring रहता है and how you go about fixing up the kits itself. So it is good for even those who are into assembling, manufacturing of vehicles. उनके labor को हम train कर देंगे. Next slide, please. Day 2 is complete detailing of motors and electronics. Now this is more of theory plus practical. As I told you, we virtually do an open heart surgery of the electric motor. One of the hub motors is opened in front of you, and then you get to do a hands-on onto that. This is something that nobody would train you, not even a factory guy. In fact, many factory guys who are doing assembling of the Chinese provided vehicles are actually approaching us for this kind of a training, where we do a complete, as I told you, open heart surgery of the electric motors. We showcase what are the parts which are changeable, interchangeable, including magnets. Then we reassemble it, fit it into the vehicle, and then you test drive the vehicle itself. So this is done on day 2. Next slide, please. The last day is more on the battery management, where we are showcasing this time for the first time. We are actually opening a battery. We are showing the BMS, the way the battery structured or scheduled. So either it will be a 48 volt or a 60 volt battery that we are going to show, or maybe a e-cycle battery, where we will showcase how lithium cell, either NMC or LFP, are stacked up, lined up, how they are welded into the place, what is the role of a BMS, how it is kept. Now, normally the data that is extracted is available only to the OEM. So in case any OEM helps us in sponsoring this particular segment of the training, we will try to showcase. But for the time being, we are just showcasing assembling. Again, what are the fault levels? You would have specifically seen a lot of fire happening right now, which is occurring in NMC driven cells. ये ज्यादातर आपको स्कूटर में दिखेगी, बाइक्स में नहीं दिखेगी, इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स. आपने रिवोल्ट में किसी गाड़ी में आग लगते हुए खबर नहीं सुनी होगी. That's because they are using now the new ones have started using LFP cells. Initially, they were using NMC cells. But nonetheless, this is something which is critical, because if we have to safeguard this industry, this is the core, the heart of this particular technology, which is the lithium battery packs. So this is about the practical training. 3 days is a power pack training. If you have an entrepreneurial knack, you can take it up. We also get approached by a lot of manufacturers. So if you are searching for a job, and to be very frank, these are fresher level, entry level jobs. आपको 8,000 से लेकर 15,000 तक की job मिलेगी. If you are senior person, then obviously this would give you a knowledge, but it can give you engagement with the industry. How you go about extending depends upon how you approach the industry. Next slide, please. The training schedule is basement of Eastment Apartment, New Ashok Nagar, Mayur Vihar, Phase 1 Extension, New Delhi 110096. This is a station which is the last station of New Delhi for all metros going towards Noida Electronic City. So approachable from all corners of Delhi. The course starts at around 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning. There is a small lunch hour gap that we give for around 30 to 45 minutes. Extends right up till 4:30. We have already given you a breakdown. 10:30 a.m. onwards, we expect. 11 we start off sharply. 2 hours are there in lecture, followed by lunch, and then fitter along with you assist you in opening of the EVs, the motor, and third day the battery. 25th, 26th, and 27th. The vehicles that we are using are Eagle, Spock, Tough, and a retrofitted bike. All the 4 come from 4 different brands. 3 different brands, not 4 different brands. Tough and Eagle are from SES. It's a company which has recently been awarded in the iPage function, driven by Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, who is our Minister of Industries, and owned by Shima Electric and Services Private Limited. It's a EV manufacturing company which grew out of Orissa. Now it has 3 plants in Manesar, and it is growing pretty strong. It has a very large number of EVs which are supplied and supported in the EV industry. Last is the retrofitted bike, which I told you it's a high-speed retrofitted bike. It's a demo bike. We are in the process of getting it homologated on parts and components which are approved. But it will see the end of the light, that is commercially availability is only by April next year. And it's something which is less than 1 lakh rupees. So at the costing of say less than 1 lakh rupees, 11,000-12,000 rupees less than 1 lakh rupees, which is on road price. Registration and insurance all obviously will be separate. But nonetheless, the overall costing is going to be less than 1 lakh. It is not going to be 1.10 or 1.20. And this is a configuration where we are yet to configure out the FAME 2 subsidy of kitna extension hoga. So it is going to be fun driving such a vehicle. As I told you, it is something which is going to be of key interest to students, institutes. We are we are targeted by a lot of institutes to drive this kind of courses. So this is an extremely short course, but nonetheless, it gives you a lot of exposure as far as parts and components is concerned. And we being supplier, so you can start up a business also in this particular field. Next slide, please. This is the online session, as I told you, 5 days. First day is introduction to the EV world. These are all 1.5 to 2 hour Zoom based sessions. ये हम शाम को लेते हैं because we get a lot of people who are beyond India also. We have customers who come from Europe. We have clientele who are coming from Africa. We have few who are coming from even places like Russia and Germany. So we give them a basics, which is very critical and important, understanding about the motors. Now here we give a very brief. This is what we cover in 1.5 to 2 hours. But the extension detailed version is something that we'll be doing in a course starting on 7th of November. I can be telling you one thing, be rest assured that even if you have good amount of designing skills, you can easily catch on to that and you can understand how a motor works. For those who are from a designing or automobile segment, it's one of the course that should be attended. Day 3 is motor fittings and mechanical challenges, which are what are the failures, etc., etc. Role of electronics and controllers, understanding the battery pack and accumulator, overview of assembly and maintenance. Now, this is good from a basics for an entrepreneur. It is good for someone who is interested in doing the assembly unit, someone good for a service maintenance unit, or someone who is interested in joining along with us. These are courses which we give free to all our franchises. Next slide, please. Next slide. The other course, as I told you, is a deep dive on electric motors, which is again focused on a plethora of motors, but focused primarily on BLDC. And these are for the current date motors that are already there. Obviously, 90% is predominantly Chinese. But once you do it, you can do a lot of re-engineering and bring the entire technology to India. The second is the battery management system. We are not calling it lithium battery pack only because lithium battery packs is nothing. It's individual cells stacked together in a structured manner so that you get the output. It is very important that for a longevity of this battery pack, you have a very robust BMS system. And that's why we have called this package as a battery management system rather than purely a battery pack. It is very important and this field is going to open up like crazy because we have 40% of the vehicle का cost. तो आपका अगर लाख सवा लाख का गाड़ी है तो उसमें से 45,000 to 65,000 is just the cost of your battery. No customer would prefer that 40% of the cost of his battery actually dies in less than say 3 years or 4 years. So technically lithium batteries have a life of 7 to 8 years. It is used in traction only for the first 3.5 to 4 years. After that, efficiency drops down drastically. So there is a reuse or a second case use for that cell. The ecosystem is already under development. A lot of our startups are already doing it, and we are also supporting them. Because once we can get the value to the customer, which is a realistic one, we would see a more higher degree of people shifting over to it. The petrol costs are already driving a huge shift over turnover to this thing. It depends upon customers' budget. EVs or automated EVs costing start from as low as 26,000. जिसमें एक cycle type का आपको configuration मिलेगा. But it is adequate if you are individually driving and your daily commute is 25-30 kilometers. If your daily commute is between 50-60 kilometers, we recommend a scooty or a bike. And there the cost ticket size is a good one would be between 6.
Your voice is cracking.
Yeah, I am sorry. I just got a call on my phone number. So, audible now? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Next slide, please. Now, the online training schedule, as I told you, starts 16th of every month. This month is already started. The next batch is 16th November onwards. It is an alternate day course, 6-day course, very critical for anybody and everybody intending to enter into it, enter into the field of EVs. At the price point that we are giving, no, it is unmatched. Electric motor starts on 7th of November. It's an 8-session, 2 hours each. As I told you, we are going to give a deep dive on the Hall sensors. Again, it's an unmatched course. Nobody gives a deep dive into the Hall sensors. Hall sensors are different for coaxial motors, for hub motors, and heavy duty motors, which are 3 kilowatt or 5 kilowatt in BLDC. So this is one critical thing where a customer is willing to pay a fairly good price in case his hall sensors blow off. It's like an internal fuse for the motor also, and it is also one of the mini brains which drive the motor. The last one is the battery management system. Now, this is something which is a must-have for anybody and everybody who is within the battery space, and especially when they are looking at field maintenance. You know, a battery which is costing as high as 40-50,000 rupees, a client would happily pay anywhere between 1,000 to 1,500 rupees to ensure that it is properly maintained, because this is post warranty, not in warranty. Within warranty, so obviously the OEM is required to provide that services. But post warranty also, a client would be willing to pay that, and these batteries can easily be extended to a life of 4 to 5 years. We've already seen a couple of OEMs who have started giving 4 year of extended warranty on lithium packs. The challenge for those companies is going to be how to ensure giving these kind of warranties in field, and that is where e-oxygen comes in very handy with the field staff that it is going to end up training in terms of the field mechanics who already undergone the training. As I told you, a lot of these courses are accessible free of cost if you are our channel partner, and the channel partner fees is only 18,000 rupees plus GST, in which you can either start it off as a workshop. You hardly need 80 square feet to 150 square feet, or you can become our channel as our marketing partner for sales and marketing of the courses, the parts and components. Our core business is not training. Our core business is actually servicing for the customer close to his doorstep. That's our motto. As I told you, first training which we are focusing is Monday, 25th. This is the on-site course. This we do in 8 to 9 cities across the length and breadth of the country, and we are going to extend as and when we are opening more and more number of channel partners. This we do with the help of our either our micro franchisee, our regular showroom guys, or our city distributors. We are also opening up this channel in tie-up along with various other institutes, because we want to spread this technology wide. Second one is electric motors, which is 7th of November. It is a deep dive course. It is not a cheap course. It's a heavy course. We have got some inputs from German engineers, Chinese engineering obviously is there, a little bit of Japanese component manufacturers also contributing to the development of the course content. The battery management system is something that a lot of battery guys are already doing in terms of assembling. Obviously, Chinese components are core because they are the ones which are in our pocket. If we start going for either European or American BMSs, they may not be viable from an Indian market perspective. But nonetheless, for heavy duty ones, it makes sense going for that, because there those kind of electronics comes in very handy. Next slide, please. So course fee of on-site 7,499. We are giving a discount. This is for today, tomorrow, up till Sunday. You switch it off on Sunday. If you land up on Monday with cash, it goes back to 7,499. We are giving it at 4,999. There is a link that we will be sharing here, and Parvez ji will share that link on the chat box also. You can register right away, or you have time till Sunday. Nonetheless, you can get in touch with our staff members as has been shown in the PPT. You can go for it. The second course is the online course, Electrical Vehicles Basics course, which starts on 15th of November, give or take 3 days. Between 15th and 18th, this is again online course 7,499, but 3 days we are giving at 4,999. If you do both of these courses, you are eligible for a participation certificate from e-Oxygen along with EESCI, that is Electronic and Electrical Skill Council of India. Parallel to it, you are also eligible to attempt their skill upgradation course, which will cost you another 1,200 or 1,400 rupees. It enables you to go in for a loan between 1.5 to 9.5 lakh rupees. Your garage or your showroom should be in your name. It cannot be rented here. The electric motor online course starting from, am I audible, guys? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So Parvez has mentioned my number and Parvez's number. You can copy it down. Battery management system and electric motor online management system is 17,499. BMS is again 17,499. The advantage is we are giving the practical upfront right now, which is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Both these sessions are accessible. The practical side is accessible in offline. You need a 3-day or a 4-day practical session. We also have an assisted practical session where you can literally order for this stuff from our website. It's not inactivated, but expect by 1st or 2nd of November, prior to Diwali, it will be there. So you need not come. If suppose you are still afraid of the third wave and you don't want to come out, you can do it virtually at the comfort of your own house, and we will be assisting you in a remote manner with these kits, both for motors as well as for battery packs. Now we have permutation and combination, on-site plus electric vehicles. That is, it is available for 9,999 rupees. We give you certain add-ons. The add-ons will be declared as and when you are expressing your interest for that. The on-site electric vehicles and electric motors, that is an extended course starting from 23rd till 25th till 27th, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. आप दिल्ली में करते हो 7th November से लेकर for next alternate 8 days, that is 16 days course, you do online on Zoom. You get a certificate, and you do the electric vehicle course starting from 15th of November. So this will come to you for approximately for 23,499. The sweetener to this is we are going to give a coaxial motor pack along with it, which costs nearly 12,499. आपको अगर एक्सटर्नल मोटर के साथ कोई बाइक कन्वर्ट करना है तो आप कर सकते हो इसमें, या एक्सटर्नल मोटर कैन आल्सो बी एडेड टू अ ई-रिक्शा. On-site electric vehicle plus BMS is again 23,499, where motors is not there. You have the Delhi training. The advantage is, suppose you can't come to Delhi and next 4 months you are available in one of our select 11 cities, you can take the access whenever you get the experience there. इसमें फिर आपको सामान खरीदने का जरूरत नहीं है, आपको hands on वहाँ पे मिल जाता. These cities are basically Delhi NCR, that is 3 cities. You have Surat in Gujarat, Mumbai in Maharashtra, Pune in Maharashtra, Nagpur in Maharashtra, 4 cities, then Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore also. Soon in Bhubaneswar also. So more than that, I think we've counted around 11 or 12 cities. So these are the cities we will do. One more city, I'm sorry, I forgot to add, which is Lucknow. So these are the cities we are covering and we are gradually expanding it. तो ये आप जब भी करोगे आपके पास 2 ऑप्शन है, या तो आप दिल्ली आके कर लो. दिल्ली आके करोगे तो आपको इमीडिएटली कवरेज मिल जाएगा. आप अपने शहर से करना चाहते हो तो अगले 3 से 6 महीने में हम जरूर कवर करेंगे. इन केस वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट, then you are welcome to come out to any of these 12 cities to cover it up. Last is the all comprehensive course, which is 39,499. इसमें virtually speaking, we actually end up giving you a second-hand frame for converting a vehicle into electric. Motor and battery is something that you need to spend from your end. So this is something that frame also comes for 11 to 12,000 rupees. Here, virtually speaking, you get the entire kit for with a discount for nearly around 35%, which is significant. So you can carry home virtually a low-speed electric vehicle in this cost. There will be some additional cost for the motor controller and battery, because we want to give you that as a fresh piece. The motor controller, when we give, it comes along with a year warranty, and the battery, the new piece, comes with a 3-year warranty. So you can carry home virtually a new electric vehicle, which you have literally made it yourself. So these are the various permutations, combinations. The immediate one, if you want, you can book for it. The advantage to one more advantage to this is, suppose you decide to go for our micro franchisee, which is 18,000 rupees. So apart from the GST, these courses that I have shown you is inclusive of 18% GST. So इसमें से 18% GST माइनस कर दो, उतना हम डिस्काउंट आपको माइक्रो फ्रेंचाइजी के कॉस्ट में भी दे देंगे. Micro franchisee, as I told you, is either a guy who does micro servicing as well as trading from his 150 or a 80 square feet showroom or factory workshop. You can say it needs to be on ground floor. We need a GST number, and we tell everybody as a channel partner, if you are starting a trading servicing business, you need additional 2 lakh rupees to be pumped as far as the stocks are concerned. You can also take bookings of electric vehicles. But if you are interested only to be a work from home marketeer of ours, even that is possible, but that requires tremendous amount of engagement on digital networks. But if you spread it out, it's roughly around half an hour to an hour on a daily basis. लेकिन आपको time dedicate करके देना पड़ेगा. So we have given huge number of courses now. Everything revolving around the ecosystem of electric vehicles, all of it is available and accessible on www.eoxygen.com. Next slide, please. These are the links on which you can book. Alternatively, you can go to www.eoxygen.com. There is a training hyperlink. The moment you click onto it, all these permutations, combinations, along with the current costing is mentioned there. As I told you, for outstation students for Delhi, you can book your flights, trains, whatever. We have two levels of facility. We either have Holiday Inn, which is walking distance from this facility. This comes slightly at a higher cost. Around 3 days will cost you approximately around 10 and a half to 11,000 rupees. But if you want something as a low cost value, in 2499, we give you 3 days, 2 nights. Basically, the day you land in Monday morning, उस दिन का रात नहीं लेंगे. Monday to Tuesday night, Tuesday to Wednesday night, Wednesday evening you can take a return back. So 2 nights and 3 days boarding and lodging expenses included in this. These are 3 links for our courses. There is only one on-site, remaining are 2 are online. So you can click on this and book. Essentially, as I told you, 15th November, which is basics, 7th of November, which is advanced on motor course, and 7th of December, which is advanced on battery management courses. We give you outright discount. Whatever amount you have paid is discounted against a micro franchisee, especially in your motor controller and your battery management courses. If you do, you'll get that discount. Clubbed courses, the discount doesn't work outright. Whatever the first course that you get, you will get that much amount of discount. तो आप define कर दो आपने जो भी course पहले किया. Suppose motor का course पहले किया है, which can we go back to the previous slide? Parvez, can you go back? Yeah. Say for example, you have done motor course, which is 17,499. Reduce GST, which will be roughly around 2,200 rupees, 15,000 some odd amount. You just need to pay additional 3,000 rupees plus GST to add, which is 3,000 plus 18%, approximately 4,300 or 4,400 rupees to become our micro franchise. For micro course is free, which is the electric vehicle online and electric vehicle on-site course. The first 2 courses which we are giving at 4,000 या 999. जो advanced courses है वो उसको 50% discount पे मिलता है. Yeah, so that's it. Parvez, we can go to the 3rd slide from now. इसके बाद वाला. So guys, we are based out of New Delhi. This is our account number. We have enabled payment gateways directly on the link which are given on our training site on our website. Or if you want, you can pay through Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay on 97681275576. We have mentioned our Yes Bank number account also. You can pay her directly. Cash is strictly acceptable only in Delhi, but then discount is not available on cash. you will have to pay at the MRP rate or the listed discount rate. Anything which is paid online and in the period of the offer, that you will get it right now. All these details you can access on www.eoxygen.com. This is a company which was started by me and Kunal, and today it has gone up to nearly around 14 people. We are already having more than 37 mechanics in Delhi, NCR, and Pune. Approximately around 12 franchises in the cities that I have mentioned. We have trained more than 500 mechanics in the short period that we started extended training reach now. Surat as a city alone, we have trained close to 92 mechanics, and that is really blossoming up pretty fast. We have also trained our mechanics in Maharashtra, in Tamil Nadu, in Chennai, some of them in Nagpur and Hyderabad. So that's more or so the training about what we want to do. Now we will open the question and answer series. So myself, Puneet, and Parvez will be answering. So I will be taking the lead questions and I will be directing them. A couple of questions that I see. One is Prem Bhojwani. After flood, ICE2W is also damaged and it can be repaired by local mechanic around 5,000 INR to 8,000 INR. But in EV, are all part electric parts, that is battery, motor, and controller plus AUX. What will be the approximate cost in that scenario, sir? भोजवानी जी, ये आप गाड़ी दिखाने के बाद ही पता लगा सकते हो. गाड़ी में 3 ही पार्ट खराब हो सकते हैं. या तो उसका मोटर खराब होगा, या उसका मोटर कंट्रोलर खराब होगा, या फिर बैटरी खराब होगी. Now to get to these 3 parts and components, you need to do an analysis or testing on the vehicle itself. There are various ways and means to test it in a local manner, which is what we call as a field test trial basis. That is what we train our mechanics. And we engage it accordingly. Now the cost of our parts and products, suppose पूरी मोटर ही डैमेज हो गई, इतनी मिट्टी और उसमें धूल घुस गई है, मोटर खराब हो गई, तो आपको मोटर चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. हमारे पास मोटर एड ऑन अवेलेबल है, starting from 250 watt onwards till 800 watt, and in 48 volt, 60 volt, as well as 72 volt in 10 inch. 72 volt पे normally आपको नहीं मिलेगा, आपको maximum 48 और 60 volt में मिलेगा. So we have the motor. Parallel to it, we have controllers also. And last but not the least, the battery. Normally, battery is positioned in such a manner that that doesn't go below water. उसमें पानी की वजह से खराब होने के चांसेस कम है. Nonetheless, if moisture has seeped inside, the warranty gets null and void. So that customer has to be careful on that.
Hello.
Again, any
Good evening, Sujay Chaurasia, sir.
हाँ जी, good evening, sir.
सर, माय नेम इज जितेंद्रा और मैं अभी आईआईटी पटना से बात कर रहा हूँ. जैसे यहाँ इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे स्टार्टअप करने का क्या मतलब वो है? जैसे मैंने कई सारे, अभी मैंने पेटेंट के लिए भी अप्लाई किया है, कई सारे मतलब 2-3 मोटर मैंने चाइना के रिस्पेक्टिव में मैंने डिजाइन किया हुआ है, जो कि जो परमानेंट मैग्नेट यूज होता है. चूंकि हम मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स वहीं से मंगाते हैं, तो उसको फेराइट में कन्वर्ट करके थोड़ा सा डायमेंशन इधर उधर करके हम एफिशिएंसी उनके कंपेरेबल पे ला पा रहे हैं. तो इसके रिस्पेक्ट में जैसे मेरे को स्टार्टअप करना है, तो इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये कंपनी हमको क्या सुविधा दे सकती है?
सर, स्टार्टअप में आपको क्या सुविधा चाहिए? देखिए, स्टार्टअप में आपको 3 सुविधा हम मुहैया करा सकते हैं. सबसे पहला स्टार्टअप का है कि भैया आपने अगर अपना पेटेंट वगैरह डाल दिया और आपको पेटेंट मिल गया है, तो आपको फैक्ट्री डालने में और उसको स्केल अप करने में और मार्केट एक्सेस देने में हम आपको सुविधा दे सकते हैं. लेकिन इसमें आपका कॉस्ट मार्केट के एनेबल्ड होना चाहिए. भाई चाइना से मोटर आ रही है, वो समझो 10 रुपए की आ रही है, और आपकी मोटर अगर 25 रुपए में बेचोगे तो वो वायबिलिटी नहीं है. हम हर एंटरप्रेन्योर को ये बोलते हैं कि आप जो भी लेके आ रहे हो, वो आपको सबसे पहले वायबिलिटी के पर्सपेक्टिव से, आपने सिर्फ पेटेंट उठा लिया और उसके बाद वो उसकी वायबिलिटी नहीं बैठ रही है, तो फिर वो कस्टमर को मिलेगा नहीं. तो आपको जब तक कि आपका राइट फिटमेंट नहीं है, तब तक हम आपको हेल्प करेंगे उसको स्केल अप करने में.
ओके.
दूसरा
नहीं,
एरिया
कॉस्ट
जहाँ पे
और कंटिन्यू सर, कंटिन्यू.
मुझे खत्म कर लेनी चाहिए. दूसरा एरिया है जहाँ आप एंगेज करते हो, क्योंकि देखिए आपने R&D अच्छा कर लिया, आप IIT पटना से हैं, आप इनफैक्ट परवेज जी भी IIT दिल्ली से हैं, तो आपके अलुमनी के हिसाब से वो आपको मदद भी कर देंगे. बट आपकी जब तक एक स्केलेबल मॉडल नहीं है, या जब तक आपका प्रोडक्ट आप बना रहे हो उसका एक डिस्टिंक्ट एडवांटेज नहीं है विज़ चाइनीज सप्लायर, तो एनी इन्वेस्टर और एनी इंडिविजुअल और एनी मार्केट वेयर यू आर ट्राइंग टू सेल, वो कैसे लॉजिक पे चलेगा वो आपको प्रूव करना पड़ेगा। उसको हम शार्पन करने में हेल्प कर सकते हैं कि भाई ये कंपोनेंट है यहाँ पे बिक सकता है, ये कंपोनेंट है यहाँ बिक सकता है, ये कंपोनेंट है इसकी यहाँ पे जरूरत होगी या आएगी। और लास्ट है जो हमारा थोड़ा सा एंगेज्ड प्रोसेस है कि अगर आपने स्टार्टअप अपना मार्केट में एंगेज कर दिया, देखिए इंडिया में आइडिया के बेसिस पे पैसा नहीं, भारत में बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप्स है जो सिर्फ आइडिया के बेसिस पे वैल्यूएशन कराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। वो यूएस में होता है, टू अ लार्ज एक्सटेंट यूरोप में भी होता है। इंडिया में वो बहुत सक्सेस रेशियो इज वेरी वेरी लो। ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होता है, होता है, बट वो सक्सेस रेशियो इज एक्सट्रीमली लो, बिकॉज इंडिया में जब तक कोई स्टार्टअप ट्रैक्शन करके मार्केट में नहीं दिखाता है कि भाई ये मैंने प्रोडक्ट बनाया, इसका पेटेंट लिया और यहाँ पे इसकी एप्लीकेशन, तब तक उसको इन्वेस्टर्स अट्रैक्ट करने में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत होती है, दुविधा होती है। लेकिन हम ये फैसिलिटी भी दे रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे हम कोई भी स्टार्टअप को बता देते हैं कि भाई शुरुआत के 5 लाख 8 लाख 10 लाख 15 लाख वो आपकी जेब से लगने वाले हैं। तो यू हैव टू हैव अ वेरी रियलिस्टिक थॉट प्रोसेस अबाउट द बिजनेस, हाउ इट हैपेंस इन इंडिया। अब आप पूछ सकते हैं सर मुझसे।
ओके सर, कॉस्ट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन पे भी मैंने काम किया है। फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे नियोबियम मैग्नेट यूज होता है, तो उसके
हाँ
जगह पे हम फेराइट मैग्नेट यूज कर सकते हैं जो कि इजीली इंडिया में अवेलेबल है।
हाँ, बट लाइफ कम होता है ना सर उसका।
हाँ, लाइफ कम होता है। हाँ, लाइफ लाइफ मैनेज वो करना पड़ेगा। लाइफ कम होता
तो
है, ये मैं
सर
मानता हूँ।
देखो, आज की तारीख में मोटर में वैसे तो चाइना से आपको वो मिलता नहीं है, और ऐसा नहीं है कि फेराइट मैग्नेट हैज नॉट बीन यूज्ड। फेराइट मैग्नेट हैज बीन यूज्ड, but the company which started off with that failed miserably। ठीक है। दूसरा, फेराइट मैग्नेट जो है वो हाई टेम्परेचर वेरिएशन नहीं झेल सकता, अनलाइक से न्यूडियम which is a more stable magnet can handle temperatures from say -2 degrees to a maximum of 48 degrees। फेराइट मैग्नेट में वो प्रॉपर्टी बहुत जल्दी लूज आउट हो जाता है जैसे ही आप उसको टेम्परेचर में करते हो। तो आपका अगर पेटेंट है कि भाई फेराइट मैग्नेट हम लॉन्ग टर्म यूजेज के लिए कर सकते हैं। देखिए आज खरीदने वाला कौन है मोटर में? आपका बिहार का केस लूँ तो वो एक ई रिक्शा वाला चलाने वाला, ये बहुत लो सेगमेंट से आ रहा है इकोनॉमी। ठीक है। अब उसको ऑलरेडी जितने लोगों ने चाइना का माल फेल के उससे पैसा निकालना था निकाल दिए, भाई उसके लिए ये रोजी रोटी है। बट ही कांट अफोर्ड चेंजिंग द मोटर एवरी नाउ एंड देन। ही नीड्स समथिंग व्हिच इज एक्सट्रीमली स्टर्डी एंड व्हिच इज रोबस्ट in face of the Indian environment which has highly extreme temperatures। तो अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट उसको मैच करता है तो यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम सर।
सर इसके लिए मैं आप लोगों का कांटेक्ट मैंने सेव कर लिया है, और चूंकि मैं मोटर पार्ट से हूँ, मेरे को कंट्रोलर पार्ट का ज्यादा ज्ञान नहीं है। तो हमारे जो प्रोफेसर है वो लाइक उनके हेल्प से हम लोग कंट्रोलर भी ऐसा बना रहे हैं जो लाइफ को वो मैनेज करेगा। इस पे हमारे सर से बात हुआ था। तो मैं अब चाहूंगा कि जैसे आपका कांटेक्ट मुझे मिल गया है तो मैं सर को आपसे एक बार कम्युनिकेट करवा के फिर लाइक मैं तो अभी स्टूडेंट टाइप हूँ तो वो ज्यादा बेहतर कम्युनिकेट कर पाएंगे।
सर कौन से ईयर में आप?
सर मेरा बीटेक कंप्लीट हो गया है और उसके बाद मैं वो मोटो स्टूडेंट फार्मूला भारत रेसिंग का वो पार्ट रहा हूँ, मैं कैप्टन था।
ओके।
एंड देन लाइक आई स्टार्टेड R&D ऑन IIT पटना विद एसोसिएट प्रोजेक्ट में उसमें,
So
और उसके बाद मैं
are
यही
you
अभी काम।
engaged in some company right now, या this is an independent project that you are doing right now?
नो अभी एक कंपनी स्पॉन्सर की हुई है एक मोटर के लिए।
अच्छा।
तो वो मोटर अभी काम कर रहा है, मतलब उस मोटर पे काम चल रहा है, वो ऑलमोस्ट वो फिनिश
सर
स्टेज पे।
हमसे क्या चाहिए? बी स्पेसिफिक। आपको हमसे क्या चाहिए? देखिए हम
सर,
R&D हमारा स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है। हमारे प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, वी आर अ थर्ड पार्टी एग्रीगेटर। आप बना लोगे उसको मार्केट में ला सकते हैं। R&D इज नॉट आवर स्ट्रेंथ। आवर स्ट्रेंथ इज टू गेट दैट R&D प्रोडक्ट आउट इनटू द मार्केट। आपने R&D करके एंगेज कर लिया, हाँ हम आपको रिसोर्सेज के साथ एंगेज करवा देंगे। वी आर डायरेक्टली लिंक्ड विद द इंडस्ट्री। आपने बाला पच्चपाया का नाम सुना होगा, जो कि EMF मोटर्स के MD है।
हाँ हाँ सुना है सर, पी बाला नाम है
इन्होंने,
उनका।
हाँ तो बाला पी या पी बाला जो भी बोलो आप, पच्चपाया वाला है, बाला पच्चपाया। ही इज एक्स नीति आयोग, ही सिंगापुर बेस्ड। ही वाज द ओरिजिनल गाय हु स्टार्टेड एम्पियर एंड ही सोल्ड आउट। So we can engage and get you connected, but then they will also come with their own commercial interest. भाई हमारा इसमें क्या है? So we
Okay.
are a third party टेक्नोलॉजी एग्रीगेटर. आपने टेक्नोलॉजी डिस्कवर कर दिया, अब आप बोल रहे हो कि सर हमको फैक्ट्री खोलना है, हमारी मदद करिए, हम उसमें मदद करेंगे. लेकिन जब तक आप प्रोडक्ट को एकदम एस्टैब्लिश नहीं कर देते हो कि सर ये प्रोडक्ट न्यूडियम मैग्नेट से टक्कर वाला प्रोडक्ट है, बोथ इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉस्टिंग, प्राइसिंग एंड स्टेबिलिटी, वी विल हेल्प यू.
ओके सर, ठीक है सर, मेरे को कांटेक्ट मिल गया है तो मैं इस टर्म पे भी आपसे बात करूंगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल.
मेनली मेरे को कांटेक्ट मिलना ही था क्योंकि लाइक मेरे को जिस फील्ड से हेल्प चाहिए, जैसे आपने 3-4 पॉइंट बोला कि मैं इंडस्ट्री से लिंक करवा सकता हूँ, तो मैं अपने खुद के दम पे भी मैं अपने फैक्ट्री को डाल सकता हूँ. अगर मैं ये आपको कन्वे कर दूं कि ये टक्कर का प्रोडक्ट है, तो मैं इस पॉइंट पे भी
नहीं तो
आपसे
सर देखो
कम्युनिकेट
ऐसा
करूंगा.
है, मैं आप ये समझो कि मुझ में और किसी और इन्वेस्टर में कोई फर्क नहीं. फर्क सिर्फ इतना होगा कि हाँ ठीक है, आप आईआईटी से हो और हमारे सीईओ परवेज जी, ही इज आल्सो फ्रॉम आईआईटी, so that alma mater will count. ठीक है. We also want, in fact we are the first company which is proactively asking कि भाई इंडियन सप्लायर का हमको जरूरत है, क्योंकि चाइना से हमें माल लाने में बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा है.
यस यस.
ठीक है. They are our strategic competitors. They don't want that हमारा R&D और हमारा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग उनके टक्कर में खड़ा हो. ठीक है. ये उनकी स्ट्रेटेजिक थॉट प्रोसेस है. So we are proactively engaging with our industry where we want all these parts components to come up so that we can sell. In fact, we are the first company which has exported scooters to Africa.
Okay, great sir.
ठीक है. So obviously they were customized scooters जो हमने इंडिया में बनाया था, बना चाइनीज कंपोनेंट से ही था, क्योंकि इंडिया में वो अभी तक बेस ही नहीं बनाया कंपोनेंट बनाने. लेकिन the company which took it because they have come back and claimed and stated that sir, African environment is closer to Indian environment. It is not like China. हमारे यहाँ जैसे टूटी फूटी सड़कें, गड्ढों में पानी भरा पड़ा है, टेम्परेचर का इशू है, वो अफ्रीकन सब कॉन्टिनेंट. China doesn't have these problems. China has smooth roads. China the temperature is far more moderate. It is not extreme. Cold ज्यादा है, वहाँ सर्दी ज्यादा होती है हमसे, but it is not so warm. So we will help you out, Jitendra. No issues about that. Any
sir.
further
Okay,
questions?
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Any further questions, sir? So I find a lot of people. Harsh Latuji, are you trying to say something or you just unmuted yourself? So Arslan, Zia, Emilianito, Gallardo, Arador, thanks a lot. I guess you are not from India, but thanks for participating. Govardhanachari, Govind Tiwari ji, thank you for participating. Julian Cordero, again, I guess you are from Philippines. Puneet ji, Piyush ji, part of my team. Shashikant Jha sahab, thank you for participating. आप आए, हमें अच्छा लगा. And Shubham Gupta is one of our first guys who we trained last year, and we are now already absorbed him in our company. Yeah, thanks everybody. So I guess for those who have been able to understand about the training, they can either participate in the online or the offline training. We would be more than glad. If you require something special for this training, please feel free to connect or contact with us. We would be more than glad to engage with you. And we look forward to this course. It starts on 25th. And feel free to ask anything and everything on the questions, on the numbers that we have posted and the details which are there on the website. So I would call this chat, this webinar on closure. Over to Parvez and last few notes from Puneet ji. Over to you, Parvez.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Roy. Yeah, thank you, everyone. So I thank you everyone for attending this webinar and taking out time. So if you have any question, any query regarding electric vehicles or any specific thing that we discussed, you can visit our website www.eoxygen.com, and we have shared our details also, including mobile number, WhatsApp numbers, and the email IDs, so you can contact us there. Yeah, thank you. Puneet ji, you may like to say something, then we can close this session.
थैंक यू परवेश। आप सबका शुक्रिया। जैसे कि हमारे साथियों ने बताया, परवेश जी और सुजय जी ने बोला कि आपके कोई भी सवाल हो आप हमसे पूछ सकते हैं रिलेटेड टू ईवी, टू व्हीलर, थ्री व्हीलर से, जिसके के ऊपर हम चर्चा कर सकते हैं और उसको आगे तक ले जा सकते हैं। और हमारा शो 25, 26, 27 को दिल्ली में है, तो आप आ सकते हैं, उसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। जो फी स्ट्रक्चर था वो हमारे साथियों ने आपको बताया। बाकी अगर फोन नंबर्स भी दिए हैं तो मेरे ख्याल से आपने लिख लिए होंगे, नोट कर लिए होंगे। अगर आप बाद में भी बात करना चाहें तो आप बात कर सकते हैं, हम आपके लिए हैं। शुक्रिया। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग।
Thank you, everyone.
थैंक यू।